What is up, everybody? My name is Karen. In this video, we will be showing you our hotel and we will give you a room tour, so next time you will have an idea where to stay when you're in Chiang Mai. We will explore the popular attractions near our hotel. So sit down, relax, and enjoy this video. We're here in our hotel and we just arrived. Welcome to Chiang Mai City and welcome to MOOSE Hotel Nimman, which is located at Nimman Road. Wow, look at that.
I like that little nook there.
That is so cute. Alright, so this is our bathroom. It comes with toiletries, nice shower, and also we have this kettle here. You can make your own coffee in the morning, water, mini fridge. This is so cute. That is so cute. This is pretty cozy actually. This is really nice. You have your TV, yeah.
And you have a nice desk here to work off of.
Oh yes, so I can use the desk to edit. This is very nice. Look at that. See, let's check the bed. Oh my gosh, can't wait to sleep here tonight. So this location of this hotel is pretty much very convenient. Like, it's on the center. We're just right next to the mall. Like, it's very walkable. And I feel like this is the best location if you wanna stay near the mall. And so this is $60 per night and the room is pretty cozy. Like, it's really cozy. The bed is so nice. The shower pressure is very good. And yeah, they have that cafe downstairs. They have like free coffee for 24 hours. That's amazing. Chiang Mai is just really like a small city. Like, you know, you can see more mountains, not much high-rise buildings, but I actually like smaller cities than being in a big city, you know. So yeah, I think I will like Chiang Mai. We're gonna stay here for 7 days and yeah, join us in our adventure. Good morning, guys. So we are at the breakfast place and guess what? It's 18 degrees Celsius right now. I'm not even wearing a hoodie, but this is the coolest temperature in Thailand I've ever been. So it's going to be cool. They have the mountain up there. And let's check the boys because he got foods here already. This is really nice because they have the croissants here. They have breads in this section. So the breakfast is included already. We have baked beans, sausage, what is this? Stir-fried vegetables. Ooh, they have the pad kra frau, the stir-fried pork basil. Yeah, and they have some rice, fruits in this area. And they have coffee here. You can pick your own coffee, like, you know, they have espresso machine, juice. This is a really nice breakfast place. Morning. And this is my favorite actually. That one. It's like pork, curry, kind of like that. So this is the rooftop at MOOSE Hotel Nimman. This hotel is really nice. I really thought this is gonna be like their pool though, but this is really nice. That's a nice view.
Yep. Very interesting chairs as well here.
Yeah.
How comfortable is it? Try to sit in one of those.
It's wet though. Moist.
Oh.
It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh. singing, oh, I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move.
Are we allowed to cross now?
No. No, we are not.
No, that's the answer. All right, so we're going to Maya Mall to eat lunch.
That's right.
Casper and Cook are here. We're with Dennis
And my
and
friends
Jack.
Dennis and Jacques are joining us as well.
Yep.
So it's gonna be a nice little lunch.
Mm-hmm.
You want to swim first, or? All right.
Welcome to Maya Mall. Hi, Ace.
Hi. Isn't your name Jay? Because I see you walking.
Yeah, so they have a food court here upstairs. They have a lot of food selection, so let's check it out. What's up, everybody?
Starving.
Starving. So here's the food court. It's on the third floor. So they have some stuff there, Maya Kitchen. They have some Chester's restaurant. They have a lot of food selection here. So there's one thing here in Chiang Mai, like most of the restaurants are closed every Monday. So I think the best place to go is to just go to the mall and check the food court. We're going to this place called Duke's. You made it. Here it is. They have some apple pie.
Looks like a lot of good food options out here. We should have eaten here.
No.
ฉันได้เริ่มต้นใหม่อยู่บนโลกที่มันกว้างใหญ่
It's a shot. I get to keep it.
Just shove it in great.
Aww.
Oh wow, it's good though. There we go.
I get booster shot. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. After we arrived here, we went to the party, Janine's birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You didn't tell her. You didn't tell us about the surprise fireworks you arranged. Nice.
Yeah, there was like a lot of people there from the conference. You know, it's nice to catch up with people as well. So MOOSE Nimman Hotel, it's the best place to stay for me because it's like you're just at the center, you're near to the mall, and yeah, it's really nice. This hotel is really nice. And look at Greg, he's pretty exhausted. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
So
really tired.
Such a long day.
Yeah, it's such a long day. We woke up at 6 a.m. and then, yeah, and here we're in Chiang Mai. So tomorrow, see you guys tomorrow.
Subscribe to see us tomorrow.
Subscribe! Subscribe to see us tomorrow. Subscribe! Bye!